Hi everybody, Lorenzo here from sold7.ca. We're here at 138 St. Helens and we're going to check out two of my listings for lease. Very nice units. I'm going to show you more here. So as you guys can tell by my surroundings, the building is not finished yet, but it's going to be finished in about 3 months. But that means a good opportunity in terms of lease price for you. So just give it a minute. Inside the unit, I'm going to show you the beautiful exposed brick that was imported from a Chicago warehouse. Okay, so here we are. As soon as you walk in, you have a generously sized closet. Then we have a nice bathroom. Good storage. We have good storage here. Okay. Nice deep tub. Gas range. European inspired kitchen with wine bottle storage, plenty of storage throughout. Up here, dishwasher, microwave, all that fun stuff. Brand new fridge. Obviously this place has never been lived in. And this is the real brick that was imported from a Chicago warehouse. It's very beautiful. Spacious living room, good size depth, nice width. We're looking west. It's a little bit dark out right now. I'll show you guys anyways. So we're looking west, and that's actually the Museum of Modern Canadian Art. And it's raining right now, and it's very ugly outside, so we're going to go back inside where it's nice and warm and amazing. And then over here is the bedroom, where you can easily fit a queen-sized bed with night tables on each side. And we also have a generously sized closet here, which in a lot of units downtown you don't find. It's usually half of that space, so that's another benefit. And because the building is still under construction, we're just waiting for a sliding door to come up here. Okay. We have a cool window here. There it is. That was unit 606 for $2,300 at 138 St. Helens. Steps away from Landsdowne subway station, no frills, pizza stores, TTCs like right up front. There's a park right beside here. It's a really great location, so let me know if you guys are interested. And I also forgot to mention, guys, that this unit and the other unit both come with a parking spot, which is very valuable in this area, and a locker. The other unit now, unit 310 here at 138 St. Helens, and this unit has access to both sides of the building for 310, where you can see outdoor space and go outside on both sides of the unit, south view and north view as well. I'm going to show you what I mean in just one second. So here we are, guys. First thing, when you enter, you go down into your unit, and then here's your living space with your kitchen. Like a little den situation. I guess you could put something in here, maybe some sort of light. Again, gas range, wine storage. Okay, and then the bedroom's on the opposite end. So we do have access to the outside over here to a balcony, and on the south side here to a Juliet balcony overlooking the park. Unfortunately, it's very dark, so I can't show that to you right now. Full bathroom with a nice deep soaker tub. And we also have a lot more storage in this unit. For example, we also have under the stairs this space here, which can come in handy for a lot of different things. In the bedroom, full-size bedroom, enough to definitely fit a queen-size bed with night tables on each side. And this would also be great for anybody who has a lot of clothes, as this whole wall over here is a closet. So this is plenty and plenty of storage space. Okay, and then our balcony, which you can't really see right now, and even if I show it to you, it's going to look horrible because it's raining. Yeah, you can't really see it, but it's just a normal size balcony. So this is unit 310, 138 St. Helens. And you can have this unit for $2,500, including a parking spot and a locker.